Hi guys, today I'm going to show you really basic Photoshop skill. So just making image into black and white for the color. Okay, let's get started. Just first of all, go my Photoshop. Okay, now you can see my Photoshop screen. It's okay, just create, just open now. My border, my face, and this first is unlock. Then I'm gonna get layer. And just simply, there's some ways to making your photo just color border into black and white. First of all, just simply go image and adjustments and hue and saturation. And as you can see, 3 bars in the middle, just grab the bar and toward the left. And now just okay, you got black and white. Okay, just go back. Just make your layer. And the other one is just, as you can see here, just half circle from the bottom, right? Just click and just black and white. Just simply black and white. Okay, also step back. And then also image and the hue and saturation I already mentioned, but just 2 steps down. But also black and white, it is same as here, as I show you. It's a really simple, basic technique. Making your color image into black and white. And then also I'm gonna add some information, just one step back. So when you see here is black and white, just red bar, and just you can play with, you can change its like a darkness and lightness, and the blue. It doesn't affect much, and the green. As the yellow, this affects the highlight. The red predominantly affects its darkness. Okay, just simple. It's really basic stuff. Okay, now it's your turn to go. Bye.